Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this today's tutorial guys, we are going to learn how to use a SketchUp free version guys. Yes, a SketchUp free genuine version are available to use, but you don't know how to use it. Lots of SketchUp user don't know about it guys. So in this today's tutorial, we will talk about how to use a SketchUp free version which is totally genuine, no crack needed, all are just a free of cost guys. Okay, so watch the entire videos guys, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon button for a latest update. First of all guys, you have to open a browser, any browser, whether it is Chrome or Mozilla or Internet Explorer guys. Okay, so you just have to search a SketchUp wave option inside this search engine. Okay, when you will type it and search it, you can see that this is a SketchUp for wave are showing over here. You have to click on this option, and when you will click on a try SketchUp option, you can see there is a four options available for a personal use, a SketchUp free, which is a totally free, don't have to pay for this guys. So you have to select this option, start modeling. Okay, after clicking over here, new window will open. Okay, so it will ask you to log in. Okay, so if you have created a Trimble account, you have to just fill a username over here and then click next. Otherwise, if your account is logged in with Google, you have to just click on a sign in with Google option and select your associated Google account to log in. Okay, so it's a very easy actually guys to work with this SketchUp wave option. So it will take a couple of minutes, and when you will start, you can see this is a new dialog box showing I agree, let's get going. Okay, after clicking get going, uh, you will see the some kind of this a screen. This is a start modeling screen, and this one for your settings of units. You can choose any settings from here. When you will click over here, architecture fit, fractional, decimal, fit, millimeter. I am selecting architectural guys. Okay, and after selecting this one, your model will open. So guys, in this video we have just introduced how to open this SketchUp free wave version guys. Okay, so just open this and explore all the SketchUp wave version toolbar. So in the next tutorial guys, we will tell in a detail how to create a model in SketchUp wave version. So especially that class will be for a beginner. So every tools from basic to advanced I will tell you there. Okay, so I will teach you there. Okay, so if you are new in a SketchUp, you must use this a SketchUp wave version. But remember, a SketchUp wave version needs net connection or Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so thanks for watching guys. Please share this tutorial between a SketchUp users, especially for our beginners. And see you next tutorial guys. Some cool tips and tricks, and with us next tutorial regarding SketchUp wave version, how to use it. Okay, so thank you. See you next tutorial guys. Thank you.